go a little bit that way. Right there. Today is the fateful day when we are going to do the drawing for the spoon. Thank you so much we actually had 80 people enter. So you have a not great, but good chance of winning.
Yeah, it's not like the Mega Box Powerball. It's good.
And so, this is the spoon. You've seen before, and you can watch how it was made, and you can make your own. Now, we are also going to send
the complimentary shot glass Stockman Originals.
It's a collector's item.
Just so you don't forget.
All right. And we have all of the names here.
Truly.
In the witch's cauldron.
Mix them all about.
We are going to... Oh, who will it be? It'll be you.
A chance book. You just teamed us. I got one single one.
All right.
Who's that say?
I don't have my glasses. It says Sweet Clara 99.
Okay, we're gonna need some help with this. I don't think the postman's gonna know who that is.
If you are Sweet Clara 99, you've got to contact us.
With an ID.
It's me. Yeah. We'll work out the details. We need your mailing address so that we can send you the spoon.
And complimentary shot glass. You get a dog too. Free.
You can email us. So, Clara, email us stockmanoriginal@protonmail.com. And I only want to get one email. I don't want to get 5 people saying I'm Clara. So if you're not Clara, don't email us.
We'll check.
So, to Clara, and to everybody who commented.
Thank you so much. And congratulations to Clara.
Yes. This is cheers to everyone except Roscoe.
Roscoe, the background music that you hear. Because there's a monster outside.
Seriously.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Very good. Oh, you found a treasure. A stick. Something that Georgia wanted. I know. You want a light for that?